How to fund your startup. 5 ways to raise capital. Are you sitting on a groundbreaking idea but have no idea where to find the money to get it off the ground? What if I told you there are 5 proven ways to fund your startup, and one of them could be your golden ticket to success? Stick around, because today we're diving into the 5 smartest ways to raise capital, and trust me, the last one will blow your mind. Act 1. The problem fear of financial roadblocks now. Let me guess. Every time you think about funding your startup, that little voice in your head whispers, I can't afford this, or it's too risky, and that fear holds you back from making progress. I get it, you're not alone. But here's the thing, you don't need $1 million investment to start building your empire. It's all about knowing your options and leveraging them wisely. Point 1. Bootstrapping the power of your own money. Let's kick things off with bootstrapping. This is the most straightforward, using your own savings to fund your startup. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. It's also the riskiest because you're putting your personal savings on the line. And if things don't pan out, ouch, that sting can last a while. But if you have the grit and determination, bootstrapping gives you complete control. No investors, no strings attached, just pure hustle. But here's the secret, you don't need a big nest egg to start. Start small, scale up. Every penny you save, every side hustle you run, adds to your capital. Now, if you're like most people, you probably don't have a trust fund sitting around. But don't panic, there are other ways. Let's talk about the next one. Point 2. Friends and family. The risky, yet rewarding option. Option 2. Friends and family. This one can be tricky. Why? Because asking your loved ones for money can feel like walking on a tightrope. If things go wrong, you risk not only your business, but your relationships. But if you play your cards right, friends and family can be your biggest supporters. Fear and excitement. Think about it. Your friends and family know you. They believe in you. And that belief can translate into trust. But here's the big challenge. If you borrow from them, you better be ready to deliver. The pressure can be intense, and failure isn't just on your shoulders, it's on theirs too. So, while friends and family can be a lifeline, let's move on to a method that brings a whole new level of excitement and opportunities. Point 3. Crowdfunding. Tap into the power of the people. Next up, crowdfunding. Kickstarter, GoFundMe, Indiegogo. These platforms allow you to raise funds from thousands of people who believe in your vision. It's like a global vote of confidence, and if your idea resonates, the money could come pouring in. Excitement. Imagine waking up to see thousands of dollars already pledged to your idea. It's not just about money, it's about building a community of backers who are rooting for your success. And it's proof that people believe in your dream. But remember, it's not as easy as it looks. You need to have a compelling story, a solid pitch, and, most importantly, early momentum. Point 4. Angel investors. How to land your first investor. Angel investors. These are individuals who are willing to invest their own money into promising startups, usually in exchange for equity or ownership in your company. The thing is, angel investors aren't just handing out cash. They're looking for businesses with high potential and entrepreneurs with vision. Urgency. Angel investing can be a game changer, but don't wait for the perfect investor to fall into your lap. Network aggressively, attend startup events, and build relationships. Your first investor might be someone you meet by chance, so start hustling now. Point 5. Venture capital. The big leagues. Finally, venture capital. This is the big one. Venture capitalists, VCs, are firms that invest large sums of money into high-risk, high-reward startups. We're talking millions. But here's the catch. They're only interested in startups with massive growth potential. And getting their attention? Not easy. They're looking for companies that can go big. Think Uber, Airbnb, or Instagram. Act 2. The journey. Hope and progress. Now, whether you go the bootstrapping route or opt for venture capital, every journey is different. But here's the thing, no one starts out with everything. The key is to start, move fast, and keep learning. Inspiration. You've got the tools now. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today, and you'll figure out how to fund it as you go. Because the truth is, the path to success is paved by those who take action.